So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Leo. All that you need to know about your person moving forward in the month of June. So what's to come for you? And then we move to your person, and then I'll tell you where things are going between you and them. Okay, so first three cards for you, and then we move to your person. Let's start for Leo for the month of June. Okay, with the Tower card, I definitely see a fallout with someone who you were connected with. You do not feel that vibe with this person anymore. In the past, some of you might have tried to still stick around, still try to see where things were going with this individual, but nothing worked. Right now you do not feel like you on this are on the same page or the same wavelength as them. Okay, one more card. What is happening with Leo for the next couple of weeks, Spirit? With Five of Pentacles in the reverse, some of you might be feeling left out or ghosted by this individual. In the past, this person could have tried to reach out with you or try to stay friends with you, but it did not go well. Okay, one more card. What else do we see coming up for the sign of Leo, please? Yeah, with Eight of Cups, for many of you, I see you walking away or finally deciding of distancing yourself or cutting out yourself from this situationship or connection. Okay, in terms of your relationship, what's the overall energy going to be like? Leo soulmate relationship, what's the overall energy going to be like? Some of you might be struggling with finances as well. Okay, but I do see financial gain in the coming weeks. Okay, with Ace of Swords, I definitely feel like you guys will get the clarity or have got the clarity about the situation. That is the reason why many of you guys might be walking away. Some of you guys might be choosing to walk away because this person is giving you nothing. They are emotionally distant, they're emotionally closed off. Okay, one card for your person. What's this person up to? Leo soulmate, what's this person up to, please? Okay, this person is with the King of Swords energy. This person is very much detached, all about themselves, bit selfish, very, very practical, closed heart. Okay, let's see. How do you think about you now, Leo soulmate? How do you think of Leo now? With the Hanged Man, this person isn't taking action. They could be watching you from a distance or stalking you from a distance, but this person isn't taking action. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, please. In terms of their energy with Ten of Swords, it's like there's lots of you know I would say communication gap. There's not much communication or no communication at all. There's silence going on between the two of you. One card for what do they want to do towards Leo now? What's their overall energy like in terms of moving things forward with Leo? No, I still do not see this person wanting to reach out. I still see them maintaining distance or still staying silent or still staying where they are. Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this, Spirit? With the Empress card, this person is entirely focused on themselves. If this person is a baby mom or they have a kid with someone else or they have a family with someone else, they are choosing to stick around that family. Okay, I also see if it's not a family situation, I see this person entirely focused on their growth, their healing and their job or their career. Okay, one card for their intentions towards Leo now. What are their intentions going to be like towards Leo? Some of you could be dealing with the Libra. If not Libra, I see Cancer or Pisces. Some of you with a Scorpio. With Five of Swords, this person cannot be trusted. Okay, in terms of intentions, they only want you when things are right for them to reach out or for them to make a move. They are not in this connection for you. They are in this connection for themselves. Okay, if they feel like they do not need you, they won't reach out. Okay. One more card in terms of what do they want with you now? What does this person want with Leo now? For some of you, this could be an ego clash where this person is wanting you to reach out first. Okay, they are not like wanting to like be the first person to make the move. Okay, with Five of Wands in the reverse, I still do not see this person clearing out the confusion. Okay, this person has decided to not make the first move or not be the one who is going to initiate the communication. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, Leo soulmates feelings towards Leo, please. Okay, we have a card. Yeah, resistance, a lot of resistance coming from their side. Okay, I see this person not wanting to even open up their heart to you. Extremely stubborn individual. I do not know if this person is a psychopath or they have some issues or some god knows health issues, mental issues, but this person doesn't seem to be one who is wanting to stay open to this connection. Okay, like what's the major shift, spirit? What's the major shift? Yeah, with Sun card, I believe this person is decided or is deciding of finding their happiness elsewhere. They are focused or they are giving their attention to something else. Okay, is there a third party, spirit? Is there a third party that could have got in the way? I would say that this person is wanting to focus on their finances. It's not necessarily a third party. It could be a financial situation as well, or this person is just not interested. Okay, let's be practical. So one card for what's going on in this person's heart for Leo. What's their heart space like for Leo? I don't see this person wanting to put in effort. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. With Three of Cups, they might want to keep things friendly. Okay, or they might have friend zoned you already. Okay, in terms of their headspace, what's happening? In terms of their headspace. In terms of their headspace, they are yet to make a decision. They have to cut something out or they have to get themselves out of a situation before they make them available towards you. Okay, one more card. In terms of if you put in the effort, how is this person going to react? I don't see this person. They do think about you, but when it comes to taking action, they don't take action. Okay. With Ace of Wands, I see a lot of delays. I do not see this person very much passionate like about fixing things with you or working things out with you. Okay. In terms of where things are going to be going forward for the next couple of weeks, some of you might get late communication, but they'll only communicate so that you will stick around. But why do they want you to stick around if they are not willing to have a relationship? They want you to love them, okay, but they are not willing to love you back. Okay, so this person still wants to keep you around, that's for certain, okay, but they are not willing to open up, darling. So what do they want with you now? What does this person really want with Leo? Nothing, darling. They just want to maintain distance with you, okay, but at the same time get what you can give them, okay, or what you've been giving them. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune, I do not see them ending this connection with you if you are not willing to end it, or if you are not willing to see the truth for what it is, that this person is just breadcrumbing you, so so that you stick around. This person is going to keep taking from you, okay, unless you stop. They are not going to kind of tell you that this is something that they're not interested in. I do not see this person putting in effort, but you might get late communication only for the sake of keeping you around. Very, very narcissistic. Okay, one card for what do you need to know about this person, Leo. I don't know which devil you're involved with. Ego, pride, ego got in the way. Stubbornness is the top priority. Their ego is something that they value more than their feelings. Okay, their heart is just closed off. One more card. What else do we see coming up for Leo and their person? Or what do we see getting in the way between Leo and their person, spirit? Okay. I believe you are questioning, you have doubts, you have confusion regarding the situation. And for selected few of you, I believe that one of you was out of the league. Like either you were way above their league or they think that you are way below their league. Take what resonates. But this person isn't willing to fix things. Okay, separation is definitely in the picture for now. Okay, what else? Work over love. So for many of you, it's not even a third party. It's their work situation that is getting in the way. So I'm sorry it had to be this way, but they are definitely choosing their work over you. They might still want to keep in communication with you only if you reach out and you are the one who is giving. If you are not willing to reach out, they will reach out later just to keep you around. I'm sorry it came off this way, but I'm not someone who's going to sugarcoat readings for the sake of likes. Okay, but however, howsoever, if it resonated and it kind of connected with you in some which way, if you are willing, you could hit the like button. I mean, you could comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe if you like what I do. If you want a personal reading that comes off straight off and it gives you clarity, then you could reach out on my website and book one for yourself that fits best for you. Thank you for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. And have a great month ahead. Cheers. This person you're dealing with is a bitch. Okay, I'm sorry, but if you're a cross watcher, this might go vice versa, but majorly I do not read for cross watchers. Okay, so yes.